Hello and welcome to this video. Today we are cooking a dish using Chindic's signature series electric tilting boiling pan. Let's start with a brief look at the structure of this device. This device is equipped with a motorized tilt function. Well, let's start cooking now. First, let's heat up the pan. Set the heat level and touch the start button. If the device is being used for the first time that day, the device may need some time to first heat up the thermal fluid in the heating layer. When the pan warms up, add some cooking oil. We can start the stirring function of the device so that the cooking oil is evenly spread on the bottom of the pan. Then, we add the tomatoes to the pot. The tomatoes have been pre-cut into small pieces. Heat and stir continuously to saute the tomatoes. We can set the direction of rotation for the stirring function of the device as appropriate. Once the tomatoes have been sautéed for a while, we can add some water to the pan. Next, add some ketchup or canned tomatoes. This will give the meal a more intense flavor. Let's keep the heat on, and we can close the lid on the pot to increase the heating efficiency. During the cooking period, we should keep an eye on it. If the water evaporates, add water appropriately. It's time to add seasoning. We can add some salt and chicken powder, depending on your preferred taste and desired presentation. Add some starchy water. This gives the dish a better texture. Next, we're going to pour in the whisked egg mixture, and we can stop the stirring function for now. Slowly pour in the egg mixture. This makes the eggs fluffier and more aesthetically pleasing with a better texture. Turn on the stir function and continue cooking. The cooking is nearing its end. We can add green onions and parsley. Now a delicious tomato and egg soup is ready. We can stop the heating and stirring of the device. Let's use the electric tilt function of the device, which allows us to pour out the dishes more conveniently. When the cooking is finished, we can use this spray gun with other tools such as a brush to easily clean the device.